Hi, I'm James, and super grateful for the opportunity. Found the class online and applied, was quickly emailed back with a response, and given the webinar, it showed us a lot of what our path is going to look like throughout the process, but what the success is after the process. So, moving industries, coming into a completely different field, you have to be a student and you have to want to learn. So, they made it very easy and very fortunate to have a great support behind us. But moving forward, I'm super excited to move into the manufacturing industry and can't say enough great things. So thank you guys.
Manufacturing Academy, really fun experience. First thing out of the door after I graduated high school, didn't really know what to do. And this was a really good opportunity to get some actual hands-on experience with stuff and getting into an industry. And I always knew aerospace was a thing in Washington, so I was like, why not get in this program and get real in the shop experience? And I learned a lot, and now I'm looking forward to getting into the industry.
Yes, my name is Raman Belili. I heard about this program, and it sounds that it's something that could help me out shift my career goals. And with the help of the educator Anthony and what I had available to me as in the shop, I took advantage of that. I learned what Anthony was teaching me, and at the end, I am very thankful to have achieved successfully this program, and it opened a window of opportunity that I wasn't aware of. I didn't know anything about manufacturing and the precision, and I didn't know all that. Now I'm ready to get more involved into this because it caught my attention, and I want to know more about this field of manufacturing and precision, and I'm committed to it. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. I thank Anthony and John and AJAC for giving me this opportunity, which is in my life at this point a chance.